A meeting with the Almighty.
Jake heard voices. He then heard steps approaching the barn where he was hiding. They were getting closer. If they found him, they would surely raise the alarm. The whole town knew that a prisoner had escaped from the local jail 3 days earlier and was a wanted man. As the barn door opened, Jake knew the game was up. In stepped 2 young children, aged around 5 and 7. The younger one approached the corner of the barn where Jake was crouched, the sunlight revealing his face. He said, "Who are you?" "Oh dear God," said Jake, in shock at being discovered by young children. The children looked more stunned than Jake. Their eyes were wide and alarmed. They turned on their heels and ran as quickly as they could out of the barn, their footsteps quickly fading until Jake could hear them no more. The escaped prisoner sat quietly, awaiting the sound of police sirens. He felt sure that the kids would tell their parents and raise the alarm that the prisoner had at last been found. To his surprise, however, the children's voices returned an hour later, and they again entered the barn without any adults, offering him some much-needed food and water. The younger of the 2 children approached Jake and said, "Here you are. Dear God, you must be hungry." The 2 boys continued to do this twice daily in the following days. They didn't dare tell their parents that they had found God hiding in their barn until around a week later, by which time Jake had regained his strength and fled again.